Hello, everyone. This Sunday, we are celebrating the Feast of Hannukah. It's another one of those sacred stories and sacred celebrations that belongs for us all in our Wild Soul Sanctuary. We are not wedded to any particular religious tradition. Instead, we welcome all. And we look for the spiritual truth that lies within them. So we'll be celebrating Hannukah. We'll have the lighting of the candle. We will have the sacred prayer. And we will tell the story. But much like Reverend Sylvia did last week with Star Wars, we're going to look at the metaphysics. What is the meaning in that story that is so much richer than the literal? And offers us great medicine for our times. So I hope that you will be able to join me there on Sunday, either online or in person. And let's explore together this rich, rich story. Remember, for those of you who have been raised in a Christian tradition, that Jesus, the sacred figure in that tradition, is a Jew. He was a Jew his entire life. He was born to Jews. And so this Jewish feast of Hannukah was sacred to him as well. So come and join me. It'll be a beautiful Sunday morning, as always.